Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. If you are preparing for NEET, CDS, SSC, UPSC, PCS and any other competition where bio comes, then this tutorial will be helpful to you. In this video, we are going to take 30 questions on blood. This is part 2 on the blood series. So if you haven't watched my initial video that was composed of 30 questions, please do watch out that first, because that is starting with the intro of the blood, and then you can come up to this one. The link for that video will be given in the I button also and at the end screen too. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm starting with question number 31, as another 30 questions are already being taken in the previous video. So the first question is asking, name two agranulated leukocytes. So leukocyte is the another name of white blood cells, and when we are categorizing them as agranulocytes, means that there will be no granules found in the cytoplasm. So we have two such leukocytes which are falling in the category of agranulated, and these are monocytes and lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are also very important for our body, and they are being produced by the thymus gland, which is located in our chest, right? So we are moving to question number 32, which is the most abundant leukocyte. Abundant means the one which is present in highest number. So the answer is neutrophils. Next question is question number 33. Name the chemicals which are secreted by basophils. So these are heparin, histamine and serotonin. So you need to learn all the three options, right? Might be in your MCQ, you may get them as option A heparin, option B histamine, option C serotonin and D all of the above. So it will be helpful to you. Question number 34. Phagocytic WBCs are. Phagocytic means the ones that will be doing the function of phagocytosis. This phagocytosis is the same process which is being done by amoeba to consume the food in, right? Similarly, the germs, the antigens, the foreign particles that invade our body, they are being phagocyzed by WBCs. And which are those? These are neutrophils and monocytes. Next question, how much percentage of lymphocytes are present in blood? So the answer is 20 to 25%. Question number 36, what are the two types of lymphocytes? So these are bone marrow derived B lymphocytes and the one that gets matured in thymus gland located in our chest, they are T lymphocytes. Question number 37, which type of immunity is provided by B lymphocytes? So it is humoral immunity. Remember, humoral immunity is a one where we talk about antibodies, where we talk about plasma cells. So if you get such type of questions like plasma cells are associated with which type of immunity, or antibodies are produced in which type of immunity, you are going to pick up humoral immunity as the right answer. Next question, which type of immunity is provided by T lymphocytes? So it is CMI, or cell mediated immunity. The clotting cells of our blood are, no doubt, platelets are there. The number of platelets in a healthy human being are 1,50,000 to 3,50,000 per cubic millimeter. Remember, unit is also very important to learn. They may ask you in question in which unit the number of platelets are there in the human body. So it should be remembered that per cubic millimeter we have these much platelets in our blood which are helping in the clotting, and clotting is a reaction that must happen after injury, otherwise the blood will continuously bleed. Question number 41 is asking, absence of clotting factor 8 and 9 causes which disease? So this is hemophilia. Remember, hemophilia is a genetic disease and there is no cure of it, because a child suffers from this disease since birth. So if no clotting is happening, then even a mere cut is very dangerous, because the blood is not going to clot and if it is not going to clot, that means the blood will come out of the blood vessels continuously. So hemophiliac persons, they need to live very carefully. Question number 42, quantitative disorder of hemophilia. Quantitative means it is going to affect the amount of hemoglobin there in our body. So this is thalassemia. Thalassemia again is a genetic disease, no cure of it. Question number 43 is asking qualitative disorder of hemophilia. So it is sickle cell anemia, in which RBCs, they become sickle shaped, and these may clog the blood vessels, right? Anemia and sickle cell anemia are two different diseases. Generally, anemia occurs due to the iron deficiency, but this sickle cell anemia is again a genetic disease, non-curable, in which RBCs become sickle shaped and the oxygen carrying capacity of a person is very, very low. Question number 44 is asking that in sickle cell anemia, which amino acid is replaced? I hope you must be knowing that in central dogma, DNA makes DNA, DNA makes RNA, and RNA makes proteins, right? So actually DNA is carrying the information for protein synthesis. So basically if DNA gets mutated, the proteins are also going to get changed. So change in a single base actually causes a change in the genetic code. So glutamic acid is being replaced. The next question is asking about the same, like glutamic acid is replaced by which amino acid? So answer is valine. Remember, initially a healthy person has glutamic acid and a sickle cell anemic patient will have valine in place of glutamic acid, and this change in one amino acid will change the RBC shape from biconcave to spindle shape. I hope you are liking the video and the questions picked up by me. If so, please do hit the like button and consider subscribing. Question number 46 is asking name 4 normal blood groups. So these are A, B, AB and O. Question number 47, name the blood group that is universal donor. So it is O blood group. Name the blood group that is universal recipient. Recipient is the one that can take. So it is the person with AB blood group. Question number 49, name 2 genetic disorders. If you have seen the previous questions carefully, I have already stated that these are genetic disorders, means a person suffers from these diseases since birth. So these are sickle cell anemia, hemophilia, even thalassemia can come into it. Question number 50, which antigen is present on RBC of blood group A? Remember, if this is the RBC, then it should have a surface antigen. In case of A blood group, the person will have A antigen on its surface, and in case of B blood group, it will be B antigen. In case of AB blood group, it will be both A and B, and in case of O blood group, there will be no antigen on RBC surface. If you haven't clicked the like button till now, please do click. Question number 51 is asking which antigen is present on RBC of blood group B. So answer is B antigen, and we have just discussed. Question number 52 is asking which antigen is present on RBC of blood group AB. Answer is AB antigen. Question number 53, which antigen is present on RBC of blood group O? Answer is no antigen is present or nil. So the logic is, if the person has a particular blood group, suppose it is A, then the antigen would be A. If it is B, same antigen would be there. If it is AB, both the antigens will be there. If the blood group is O, that means no antigen. A blood group individual can donate blood group to A and O. This is very important. While you are transfusing or donating the blood, compatibility means a checking should be done that which type of blood groups can be given and taken. Otherwise, if this check is not done, then clotting of the blood happens and it is fatal and it will surely kill the patient, right? So a person can donate blood group to the one who has the same antigen or no antigen. So A can give blood to A and to O also. Similarly, B can give blood to B because the antigens will be same, and can give to O also because in O there is no antigen present. We have come to the last set of 5 questions related to the blood. We are on question number 56. Name one disease that is due to Rh factor incompatibility. The answer is erythroblastosis fetalis. In case you want to have description of any of the disease you want to study in full, you may comment in the video itself. I'll get back to you. Next question is question number 57. Which enzyme converts prothrombin to thrombin? This is thrombokinase, and this is a very important reaction related to the clotting. So if question comes on clotting, you must know that prothrombin gets converted to thrombin with the help of thrombokinase. Question number 58. Fibrinogen gets converted to fibrin by thrombin. These are all the reactions which takes place during the time of clotting. Which metal ions are used at the time of clotting? The right answer is calcium ions. Question number 60. What is another fluid connective tissue present in human beings other than blood? So answer is lymph. And lymph flows in the lymphatic vessels. Which organ system is formed by the flow of lymph node, lymph vessels? It is lymphatic system. I hope you have liked this video. Please do consider subscribing. Stay tuned to my channel for more such questions. Thank you.